Hello guys, my name is Disha and today I am showing you some polishes. Those are my favorite polishes, but here in front of you this is Sally Hansen Extreme Wear range and these are my new buy. These are 6 polishes. The first one here is Golden Eye 485. The second one is Crushed number 290. The third one is Green with Ivy 110. This is white on. A basic white polish is very important for me. Whenever I have to buy a polish, I definitely buy a white one. Bubblegum Pink is my 5th polish 470, and this one is Mellow Yellow. This is a very hot seller of this Sally Hansen Extreme Wear and it's a must buy. Now to all my Indian friends, in this video I'm going to tell you, see, these are the polishes, they're not available in market. Okay, so if you're traveling out, you will get a lot of Sally Hansen, and this brand name doesn't need any introduction if you're into nail polishes. This is a very nice brand which has from nail polishes to nail care products, from cuticle oils to basin top coats to nail hardeners and everything, you name it and they have it. And this is their cheapest range, and this costs around 250 rupees, Indian rupees 250. And this one I bought from the domestic airport in India. T1 has a complete counter of this and Rimmel London range. So these are my new buys polishes, and also I thought of including into this videos to show you my favorite polishes, the polishes I haven't used and the polishes I used the most. So I will be coming up with those in some time. Here I have the other 3 polishes. I have owned them for a long time now. For almost 1 year I've been owning them, and these are one of my favorites. All of them are Blew Me Away, Purple Potion, Wet Cement, and these are very nice polishes. Okay, so now I will be talking about my favorite black and white polish, and if you live in India, you can buy them very easily in the market. The black polish that I love the most is this one by Revlon Color Stay. It is Stilettos. If you do not find them here, please, you can try out your favorite black polish, whichever you like. You have to try out different range, but Revlon is one of my favorite range. So this is a very nice black polish. Then the white polish that I have been using for a long time now is Snow White, and now I have my Sally Hansen white. So I'll be using this one, and this bottle is still halfway to go. And this one is my Max Factor Gloss Infinity. You can easily buy this Max Factor polish in market, in malls and lifestyle stores. It's completely easily available. It's number 10 Snow White, costs around 350 or 400 rupees. Between this range it costs around. I don't know if it's written here. No, the MRP is not written here. Okay, fine. So this is around 350 rupees in market. Max Factor, it's a very nice brand to try for other colors as well. But white, if you want to buy a nice white, go for Max Factor. Okay, now after this, I will show you 2 of my favorite red polishes which are very much in these days, and everyone wants to buy a red polish. Now both of these, this is obviously not available in market in India. It is one sent to me by Robin Mosses. This is Session, and the name is Sporty Car Red, and I thank her so much for sending me a nice red polish. This is my favorite. Okay, and if you want a little bit of glittery effect into your red, then go for this Chambord. It's very nice. Indian brides, to-be brides can just buy it, and it's a very nice buy. You will never be disappointed on buying it. Okay, now we'll be talking about some of the pink polishes. Okay, so it is very difficult to choose polishes out of my huge boxes and name them my favorite, because all of them are absolutely favorite and very close to my heart. But here is a pink range. This is basically a coral color, but I just clubbed it into a pink. This is my favorite pink, Zoya, online buy, not available in market in India. I bought it online. The number is ZP440 here, and it's a nice pink color. Okay, and then I have this one by Lakme Absolute Gel Stylist range. This is a new range, costs around 400 rupees. This is around 450, Zoya. Okay, then the next one is Chambord, around 400 it is, and very recently I used it. 491 is the number, and this is a very nice light pink color. And this one here by Max Factor, I'm almost about to get over with this bottle. It is Sugar Pink number 30. I use it for my French manicures. Okay, as a base I use this so that it gives a little shine to your nails. See, I will be showing it to you. It's one of my favorite polishes and I use it so much. I'll show you to you on my pinky finger. Here it is. It is just to give a natural shine to your nail, and it just tones it down, like the yellowness or something, whatever it is, it just tones it down. So this is it. That's my favorite 4 pink polishes, though I have around 20 to 25 pink polishes actually, but this is my favorite light pink, nice pink. You can say a hot pink or a coral shade right here. Okay, so this is my pink polish. Now I'll be talking about 2 of my favorite polishes, and everybody knows them. These are by Bourjois. This one is in the navy, number 23, and this is turquoise block, number 22. They are a little costly. They costed me around 450 to 500 rupees, around 475 they are in market, but these are superb, and I have shown you the application in my previous video, so I won't be applying them right now, but these are very nice, and they are with super flat brush. Okay, so I'll just show it to you. Just show them. See, they have such a flat brush, you just have to keep it. I have really nice long and wide nails, and this is 1 coat. Such opaque polish. Okay, nicely. So now here I have my blue, purple and greens for you. These are like my favorite polishes out of the stack. I have so many greens and blues and purples, and it is really difficult for me to find out my favorite and to name my favorite. I love all my polishes, again I'm saying that, but again for blue, Bourjois is in it, and then Max Factor again I have, and this one is royal blue. This is a really nice deep blue color. You can see right here, it is very nice. So I'll just remove them, and now this is purple, Chambord purple. I have very nice purple polishes by Lakme, by Maybelline, and maybe I have so many brands of purple, but this one is my favorite. It is a purple with some difference, you know, I don't know, but this is a really nice deep 1 stroke sort of purple. See, here it is in 1 coat. It is such a nice purple. I have used it a lot of time, and also all the polishes that I'm showing you right now, they work so well on water. For water marbling, those who look for answers, which polishes work on water marbling, whichever polish here I'm showing you works fantastic on water. I cannot say about stamping for all the polishes, but yes, on water they run very well, and you can use them for water marbling. So this is one of my favorite purple polish. I don't know the name. This is Intense 103 if you want, and this is in their star collection. You know, this comes with a glitter polish. This comes in a set. I do not know if they have this color in blues. Okay, so now I'll be talking about my green polishes, and here is one of my favorite dark green polishes. I do own an OPI Hair Today Aragon Tomorrow. I own it, but this is my favorite dark green polish. It's Revlon Color Stay with little lime green glitters in it. Okay, so that's one of my favorite. Then this one is by Bourjois. It's so black glossy, and the name for this one is, okay, here is the 04 Amand Jeffrey. Here's the name. So if you want to buy a nice mint green polish, this is available in market. Okay, if you go to any lifestyle store, you just get this Bourjois polish. On the Bourjois counter you'll get it. Now my next very nice and my favorite color these days is this dark teal color by Faces. The name is Slapper 103. Here is the name. Here it is. And okay, I'll just show you the application of this polish. I'm just showing you application of some of the polishes that I really like. And here it's a very different shade, not very thickly pigmented. See, what I mean by pigmented is, if you saw when I applied this polish here on my ring finger, it is so nicely pigmented that my nail is not popping out, but in this my nail is popping out. So that is what pigmentation is. If the polish is nicely pigmented, your nail will not show, nail bed won't come out in 1 go. So here you have to go in 1 more time, but it's a very nice shade. It's just a shade darker than this, but this polish is amazing. Okay, so here is my Slapper by Faces 103. It's a very nice dark teal color. Okay, so now the next set that I'm going to talk about is a yellow polish. Now it's very difficult to find, I know, a perfect yellow polish, but this one is what I use. It is Flomar, and I get this brand on New You stores. Okay, the New You store, they keep their own polish, New You, and one these Flormar polishes. So this is a very nice yellow polish if you're by chance looking for a yellow polish. And now I have a new one. This is mellow yellow from Sally Hansen, but this is a dark yellow. This is a very nice light yellow sort of a color, but it's nice. And Sally Hansen, by the way, works fantastic on water. All the polishes here I'm showing you are working fantastic. Okay, so now it's turn for a nice silver and a golden polish. Now my new buy, so gold comes in. This is Sally Hansen Extreme, and these are almost the same shades, but the Sally Hansen one is a little more gold and this one is going towards copper. So basically that's the difference, but these are the two polishes I have for my golden, and this one is my favorite silver polish by Revlon Color Stay. The name is Sequin 160. So these are for my favorite golden and silver polishes. And now I'll just show you my favorite neon polishes. Here they are. Whole set. These three polishes by Color Bar. I absolutely love them, and you have seen me work with them. And one of my favorite neon oranges is this one by Sessions, sent to me by Robin Moses. Thank you so much. So here are my, and you know the name, Pink Lady, Pina Colada, Lime Margarita, and this is one and only orange 9002. So there are my neons, and if you want to buy neons in India, go for Color Bar. They have best range, priced at only 150 rupees. You will get best neons in the world, according to me. Okay, so now I'll be showing you my glitter polishes very quickly. Okay, so this is a set of glitter polishes that I have so many, but these are my favorite glitter polishes. These two are my simple colors, not available in India. I bought them when I was traveling. And this is a New You polish, and this is in color. Okay, this is my favorite glitter polish, by the way. For a long time I've been using this, and this is very, very nice. Very thickly glittered. I'll just show you the application. This one. Okay, so here is the application. This is so thickly glittered. If you apply it over any of your favorite shades or over an orange or whatever, this is such a nice polish. See? I love it again. Beautiful polish. Okay. And then finally now here are my three polishes out of a box full which I haven't used. These three polishes, I want to use them, but I don't know, for some reason I haven't used them yet, and it's been over 6 months I bought these polishes. See, look at the shades, they're amazing. These two polishes are by L'Oreal, and this glitter polish is by Revlon, and I don't know why I did not use this polish, because I really love this polish so much, but I don't know when I'll be using them. So these are the three polishes that I haven't used. These are priced at around 225 L'Oreal polishes. They have amazing shades. All my Indian friends can just rush and buy the L'Oreal polishes. They have some amazing shades priced at 225 rupees and easily available in all malls and markets, and very gorgeous polishes. I'll be using them as soon as possible. So these are the three polishes that I have now. Okay, so finally here are my all favorite polishes that I could choose out of my boxes, because I love all my polishes and I really cannot choose them. Okay, so now before and after applying every polish, this is my Kiss Vital Strength Base and Top Coat, which is really, really nice. Now this is not available in India, but it's okay. You can use any of your favorites base and top coat. So these are the polishes, and now I hope I helped you with your favorite red, white, black, silver, golden polishes, whatsoever, your neons, glitters, silvers, yellows. And if you buy any of those polishes and I have helped you in any of the ways, please let me know and comment below if this video is of some help. Thanks for watching. Bye.